So if you're sick of contractors giving you a hard time, wasting your time, if you're sick of doing that, they don't call you back. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you today. And today we're going to discuss things that happen with contractors and why you should not deal with those kind of contractors, how I can help you easier, more simple. Here we go. Welcome back, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today we're going to talk about things that happen with contractors. And if you're tired of dealing with contractors that they don't call you back, they don't answer the phone. Or maybe if they did those two things, they say, yeah, I'm gonna be there on Friday at 5. They don't show, no phone call, no text, nothing. You're chasing them when you're trying to hire them to do the project for you. You're trying to pay them money and they don't even want to hear from you. It's like you're giving them a problem. If you're sick of doing that, I make it easy for people. How can I help you and make it easy for you and simple? Maybe you're just not ready to do the project. You just want to know how much things cost. Well, head over to the website. I got a pricing guide with clients that have bought from me in the past and what they spent on their project hiring me and my company to do the project for them. Maybe you want to get on the phone with me. So you can head to the website, you fill out the consult form, has put all your information over there. If you send it by 5 p.m. or maybe you just want to talk to me right now, well, my phone number is on the website. You call me, I will answer the phone most days during business hours, almost every time. If I don't, I'll return your phone call within that hour. So if you're sick of contractors giving you a hard time, wasting your time, don't deal with them. Reach out to someone like me that actually cares, that has spent their life and devoted their life serving clients like yourself. Save yourself the time and effort completely.